Hello beautiful people, I am the beautiful Carolyn Mitchell. Welcome back to my channel, The Natural Way 365, and today we are clearing out a space so we can build a compost bin for the Natural Way 365 farms. So I got my beautiful family here with me, my beautiful daughter-in-law, my son, my other daughter's behind the camera, and we are finna get it done. As you can see, we're chopping down this tree right here. We've already chopped down a bunch of stuff. Keep going. And yay.
Huh?
Keep going.
Awesome.
What you want me to do?
Get out the
whack
way.
it? Don't get out the way. Come on this side, Talia. I'm afraid of that side. I don't want nothing to happen to you or the grandbaby. You're carrying precious cargo.
Huh?
I said she's carrying precious cargo. I could try to just like climb up and bring my weight down on it.
No, Mom.
Okay.
No.
Tell Elijah, you try to do it.
Climb up?
Yeah, like jump up and like grab it and try to bring it down with you.
But don't hurt yourself.
What if it snaps and you just straight back?
Yo, that's gonna hurt.
Guess you won't get shipped off next week.
That's good, that's good.
Right.
That's good.
Right.
That's good. Yeah, keep doing that.
What?
Nothing. Or I can bring a ladder out and put my weight on it and bring it down.
I think you almost got it.
Is it like halfway? Oh.
It looked like it's gonna do something.
Looks like you might fall.
I think you can pull it now.
Oh yeah. Push it, keep pushing it. It was coming off.
Yep.
Yeah. Or try to twist it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh.
I think you should pull it this way.
That's what I think. So what you can just
Like go on this side and pull it towards you. No, like pull it the other way.
Like push it.
Yeah, see how you push it that side? Like go there and like pull it.
That's the trunk? Or Elijah, you should tell Elijah to come on the other side and push it down with his weight and it'll probably come off.
Okay.
There's like a little piece holding on.
Yeah.
It's like right there.
All right. It's
The
gonna fall
butterfly.
this time, so let's stand clear. Ow. These little thorns.
They nicking you, Mom.
That's why I call myself putting on long socks. You want me to push it while you do that?
No, I'm trying to. Can't lock this off?
Huh?
Can't lock it
I'm not for certain.
Mom, get from up from under the tree. You right under the tree where it's
That's
gonna be
why I'm grabbing
falling.
this stuff so it's not under the tree when it falls. I'm moving quickly.
Mom, he's gonna knock the thing down.
What you need?
The saw.
Yeah. All right, we gotta get our tree cutting skills down. So we don't be in the forest, sustainable living, struggling cutting down trees.
You gonna take those down too? Or
Um,
maybe the small
Trying to do
ones?
like a leverage thing, but it ain't working.
Then it
Gotta,
might be
like,
better if you
pop
just
it up.
use
oh, that's a good idea. You want to try it again? Just stick it through.
I need something like a hammer.
like a hammer to hammer it in. Try to kick it with your foot.
Look at
By the front door or
the
the
side door. And a box with tools in it. You'll grab a hammer. Oh yeah, it's coming down. What you need me to do?
The both sides. Can you like push it up? So I can see where I'm cutting. Bring it back. Hold it.
What?
I think it's coming. All right, you ready? To be continued, the battery just died.